Hello viewer, I will take that shape here. We will create the specific sequence of these shapes, explore the different options here, find another one to make an attraction using a design there. We will have a structure. So there we are using that design. Explore that one. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it.